regulatory pressure increases on crypto. This week's market volatility was exacerbated by the collapse of cryptocurrency exchange FTX. It drew the attention of numerous US legislators who portrayed the ensuing chaos as proof that the crypto business requires greater regulation. Numerous policymakers raised worries about the health of the business and how investors are being hurt, particularly those affected by FTX's abrupt closure. Many people believed that a crypto regulatory framework is desperately needed. Voices included Congressman Patrick Henry, Maxine Waters, chairwoman of the House Financial Services Committee, amongst others. Hundreds of millions drained out of FTX. Several wallets, presumably belonging to FTX, were emptied of hundreds of millions of dollars in currencies late Friday night, with a large portion of the assets moved from Tether to stablecoin DAI and staked Ether to Ethereum. According to Zach XBT, a pseudonymous blockchain investigator, the total amounted roughly $600 million. Crypto Twitter exploded with speculations as the movement continued in real time. Was it a hack or an inside job by FTX leadership to protect their own cash while actively opposing the bankruptcy proceedings? FTX US General Counsel Ryan Miller tweeted, investigating abnormalities with wallet movements related to consolidation of FTX balances across exchanges. Just before midnight, an FTX Telegram administrator named Ray posted, FTX has been hacked. All funds seem to be gone. If the FTX drain was a hack, the total money lost this year due to hacks will surpass the previous all-time high of $3.2 billion set last year. Solana shows moderate recovery. The Solana ecosystem was in crisis this week, with the price of SOL token plummeting sharply, losing more than half its value in a single day as the market reacted to the failing cryptocurrency exchange FTX. Alameda Research, owned and operated by SBF, had invested in Solana, and after the news of FTX's collapse, it saw a massive price drop in its SOL token price. Chewing glass is in our DNA, and we'll get through that, tweeted co-founder Anatoly Yakovenko on Wednesday, as fellow founder Raj Gokul described this as a crucible moment for the community. The SOL price saw an upward movement early on the 14th from a bottom of $12.71. Binance starts new recovery fund. Binance CEO CZ has announced the creation of an industry recovery fund to aid in the rebuilding of the crypto industry. CZ stated that further information would be released in the following days and that the fund is accessible to industry co-investors. Justin Sun, the founder of Tron, stated that Tron, Huobi Global, and Poloniex will back Binance in their endeavor. Binance's BNB token price jumped 4% on the news and is currently trading at $273.40. Bad week for Bitcoin. Exchanges are recently seeing a major exodus with over 59,000 Bitcoin worth around $1 billion removed from Binance. Coinbase, one of the oldest and largest exchanges, had 69,000 Bitcoin worth $1.15 billion removed. Around 45,000 Bitcoins were removed from Gemini, Kraken, OKX, and Bybit combined. Bitfinex, on the other hand, had a 5,700 Bitcoin rise. Huobi and Bitstamp both witnessed a slight gain as well. The exodus over the past week had 170,000 Bitcoin withdrawn in total from exchanges, worth around $3 billion. This is one of the largest withdrawals of Bitcoin from exchanges since FTX's crash, emphasizing the 2014 tagline of "Not your keys, not your crypto." Bitcoin rebounded after hitting a low of 50,700 on the 14th, supposedly after this tweet from Elon Musk. Thank you for this week's news flash.